going on, guys? We got the ARRMA Infraction. Sometimes we gotta get this out to a parking lot, like do some runs with it. I mean, these Velcro things are like stupid long. I don't know why they need to be that long, but probably shorten up some of these. I mean, truck. It's like all right, let's see. Let's go. Let's see what we got. All right, get the Infraction 6S. I've never really got much of a... I know these batteries are dead, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, they're getting there. Yeah, it's probably dead. Yeah, they need to be charged. We'll run it a little bit until it dies out. Get some video. But yeah, if you don't mind, checking out the channel, subscribe. Yeah, it's dying out. It died. Yeah, if you don't mind, please subscribe. Thanks for checking it out. All right, thumbs it up and share it. Thank you.